members, oyo abadde ow'ekitiibwa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ampadde antisse ettu mukkirize muno mulimu miliyoni 40 nzikwase. Angambye zino contribution ey'omukolo ogwaleero miliyoni 40 kanzikwase Katikkiro. The Nabagereka of Buganda, mukwano gwange, Mama Najinda, nsanyusa okulaba. The Prime Minister of Uganda, your Deputy Prime Ministers, Honorable Nabakoba wano wali. The Minister of Lands, Urban Development in the central government, Honorable Migadde naye waali. Honorable Sise Namulondo, Minister of State Finance naye waali. The Honorable Members of Parliament, my brother, mukwano gwange nnyo, Joel Ssenyonyi. Oyo nno mukwano gwange. Bwe tukola emirimu eyo mu Parliament. The Honorable Members of Parliament, the ministers from Buganda Kingdom, religious leaders, the cultural leaders, senior government and cultural officials, ladies and gentlemen. Basebo ne bannyabo, ndi wano era mbatuusaako okulamusa okuva ow'ekitiibwa President w'eggwanga Yoweri. Muzeeyi tasobodde kujja, n'agamba gwe rumba era nzize. Abatumidde era abaagala nnyo. Ampadde ekiwandiiko kiikino naye nga sinnakisoma, mukkirize mbasiime mwenna abazze. Ate era njozaayoze nange nga nze Ssaabasajja Kabaka okutuuka ku kkula lino. Tewali kinsanyusizza. The Prime Minister of Uganda has made my day today. Ekinsanyusizza olwaleero kwe kusiima n'ogamba Obwakabaka buno tebwali baddewo naye ow'ekitiibwa President ne gavumenti yaffe. Mwongere engalo ez'amaanyi olw'ekyo. Ate n'onsanyusa n'ogamba ebintu byajja ebikyabulayo nange kantandikiraawo. Kati kaŋŋende ku speech y'omukulu kubanga yagiwandiise. Ngenda gisoma nga bw'abadde agiwandiise kuba ye abadde alowooza nti Ssaabasajja ajja kuba wano. Your Majesty Leonard Muwenda Mutebi II, the Kabaka of Buganda, Your Royal Highness the Nabagereka, the Katikkiro of Buganda, Owekitiibwa Charles Peter Mayiga, religious leaders, distinguished cultural leaders, all the people of Buganda, on behalf of the government of the Republic of Uganda and the entire nation, I wish to congratulate Your Majesty, the Kabaka of Buganda, Ronald Muwenda Mutebi II, upon the 33rd Coronation Anniversary. Thank you for the invitation you accorded me to preside over this momentous occasion. I wish to thank God for the 33 years of your reign since your historical coronation at the Nagarabi Budo in 1993. I acknowledge the NRM government's role in the restoring traditional institutions to champion unity and shared values. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude and appreciation to the Katikkiro of Buganda, Mr. Charles Peter Mayiga, and the organizing committee of today's function for the job well done. I wish to thank God for the gift of your health, wisdom, and the stable leadership you have provided to the people of Buganda over more than 3 decades, that is 33 years ago, at Nagarabi Budo, we witnessed the historic restoration of Buganda Kingdom. This monumental event was born out of the shared vision between the national resistance movement and the traditional institutions to restore cultural heritage as a pillar of identity, morality, and social cohesion. The NRM government has always maintained that cultural institutions are not an obstacle to modernity. Rather, they are indispensable partners in the national transformation. Over the past 33 years, the Kingdom of Buganda has consistently demonstrated this truth. Through collaboration, we have seen cultural preservation move hand in hand with socio-economic progress. Your Majesty's leadership has been central to mobilizing our people for critical development initiatives. We commend the Kingdom's active participation in public health campaigns, particularly the fight against HIV and AIDS and poverty eradication. These efforts directly complement the government's wealth creation programs, such as the Parish Development Model. True progress can only thrive in an environment of absolute peace, security, and the rule of law. The peace we enjoy today is a hard-earned collective asset. It is this security that allows our cultural institutions to flourish and our economic markets to integrate. As we celebrate this milestone, let us remember that our regional diversity is our national strength. We must continue to reject sectarianism, sentiments, and instead champion the greater integration of Uganda and East Africa. Our shared goal remains the socio-economic transformation of every household in this country. Finally, Your Majesty, as you mark 33 years on the throne of your ancestors, the government of Uganda reaffirms its commitment to constructive dialogue, mutual respect, and shared progress. We pledge to continue working together to build a prosperous, united, and secure nation. I pray the Almighty God continues to grant you exceptional wisdom, excellent health, and many more years of peaceful leadership. I thank you. Members, oyo abadde ow'ekitiibwa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ampadde antisse ettu mukkirize muno mulimu miliyoni 40 nzikwase. Angambye zino contribution ey'omukolo ogwaleero miliyoni 40 kanzikwase Katikkiro. Ekiwandiiko kino